Hello. So today we are starting with the line command. So for that you just need to go here and draw ribbon, and there is a line command. Just hit click here, and here is some description is coming while you put your cursor a little bit here. Okay. So this is saying specify first point. You can specify any corner or any point. This is like showing wherever you wanted to draw starting point, or you can just draw in a white space, blank space. So just need to click. I just have clicked here, and it is showing some distance. You can move your cursor whatever in which direction you need, and just click there, and it is just continue. It is just continue. You can specify. I have just escaped, and I again taken this line command, and then I have just clicked here, and I wanted to draw a line with a specific length. So I just take in this direction, and I wanted to draw the line of 5000. So I need to just type on the keyboard 5000 and enter. So this line is of 5000. Again I wanted in this direction. So again in this direction I wanted to draw a line of unit like 3000 unit. Enter. Again in this direction. So you can do whatever. Again, if you wanted to draw a line with any specific corner, you just need to go that corner. So I wanted to draw a line in between this here. So I just go there, and I can zoom like a basic command to zoom on the screen. You need to do the scroll button on your mouse. You can zoom in and zoom out from there. So I wanted to draw the line from this midpoint. So I'll just specify this midpoint and then click, and after I'll come at this point I'll click, and I wanted to stop this line here, so I will press escape button on my keyboard, and it will escape. And again I wanted to take the same command. I no need to go the line command and take this. I will just hit enter button, and it will automatically active the last command whatever I have taken, it will automatically will be active. Okay, so this line command is active, and this time I wanted to draw the line from this corner to this midpoint and to this corner, and I wanted to escape this line. Okay, so this is the line command. Thank you for this watching.